Hey guys, if you are watching this video, you must be just as into goats as I am. Because I'm about to go to a goat farm. I am so goddamn excited. If you guys have followed me for a while, then you'll know my absolute weird obsession with goats. I have always loved them. I would love to be a goat farmer one day. They are so cute. And if they couldn't get any cuter, there's actually miniature goats, which is like a whole nother level of really cute. So I'm going to this farm today. They've actually just had about 17 baby miniature goats. I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna cry, I'm probably gonna piss my pants. I am that excited, guys. I'm even wearing my overalls. And it's raining outside, so gumboots. Fancy gumboots. I really like these gumboots. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am so excited to see what is about to happen. Ah, my God. Hello? Hi. Is he trying to get milk out of me? Does he think I'm a boob? Probably. Oh, look. He's sucking on my finger. Is that... Oh my God. Are they always like this?
Yeah, they're pretty, they're all bottle fed, so they're...
That's why they go for the fingers. Oh my God. Hey, go piggyback. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This one looks... Alright, so this one is an elf goat.
Yeah, her name's Autumn.
Autumn.
And that's her twin sister, Spirit.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys. Elf goats. I'm gonna go through the names. What was this one? This was just
She's a newbie.
Newbie?
Mm-hmm.
Where's a dwarf? And then here's a dwarf.
This is a Nigerian dwarf.
Nigerian dwarf.
They're a really
goat.
new breed to Australia as well.
And that's a goat pissing out the back.
And that's an Australian miniature.
Australian miniature. How's it? Oh, come on, bud. Come on, buddy. Give it a break. Give me some space. If there's one thing I learned on the goat farm, do not remove the milk bottle from the baby goat.
Thanks for visiting.
Thanks so much. This was such a great visit.
Wait a minute.
What? Nothing. What?